Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another crystal haul to show you from Banner Gems USA. Do you want to know what I got this time? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so not that long ago, I showed you guys a crystal haul that I had purchased from Banner Gems USA. They are an Instagram-based company who does live shows, and you just hop into their live, and if you see something that you like and you are the first to put that claim number, which is basically the price number, then that's put in your basket. At the end of the live sale, everything's tallied up. They send you a photo of everything so you know exactly what's in there in case you forgot, because you could be, sometimes they're in there for like several hours doing the live sales. You might forget the beginning that you got. So you see everything in the basket, and then they send you a PayPal invoice. You pay it, and then you get your confirmation that like your shipping label, and then they ship it out to you. They package everything super, super well. Like for this one, it all came in one big box, even though I have 2 orders in front of me. So yes, this is considered 3 total then if you add both of these to my last one. Every time this happens, like when I go to screen record a live to show you guys what it looks like so you know like what to expect, then I end up seeing other items that I want, and this happens like every time that normally that I do this. So for this video, I'm going to show what I already pre-recorded from the live. I'm not going to show a new live because I cannot afford anything else right now. I have to wait. But I am super, super glad with the things that I got, the prices that I paid, and I'm so, so, so excited to show you guys. So what I'm going to do is show you my first order, and then we'll go with the second order, because the only reason really why I even bought the second order is because I saw something for my mom for Christmas. So I have something that is for our other niece. So it's not all for me, but I'm just so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring my invoice up so I can tell you, because some of the prices changed. Basically, this second round was like a sale on amethyst. So what's in front of me is pretty much almost all amethyst. So I'm just gonna tell you that one right there. So with my first order, I'm just gonna go with like the smallest to the biggest to tease you, to show you the biggest one that I got for my mom for Christmas. Like the only reason why I bought these again. So let's go ahead and just start with this one right here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So this one right here, I just love how like this little chunk comes out. Just the shape of it is just absolutely gorgeous, and it's like a dark purple for the amethyst. This was normally $11 and I only paid $6. I mean, that is a good chunk for $6. I'm like, yes, please. So there's the first one. This next one, however, is not an amethyst. I think there's only 2 things that is not an amethyst. Oh, and I got a ring, sorry. But this right here is listed as I'm not quite sure. Let me see if I can see this. APOPHYLLITE is what this is. They had another piece right before this that somebody claimed before me when I was deciding if I wanted it, and that one you needed a stand to put it on, and then they showed this one and they showed that it stands on its own. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna get that one because then I don't need a stand, you know what I mean? It stands, I have a box in front of me from my Sanoderm that goes on my tattoo, so I can at least show you that because that's what I have, you know, to show you. So it does stand all on its own, but look at how beautiful this is. Like all of these like little pieces all here. There's a little hair stuck to that thing, but isn't that so cool? And I was like, yeah, it's like a little slab. So, and it stands on its own, and it's just really, really pretty. I love that green, and I didn't have anything like it. So I grabbed this. This here was $12. So there's that for 12. Then the other thing that I got that is not an amethyst was this like clam shell. This was only $5, and she threw in a little sphere so it can just sit like that. Isn't that so cool? So this whole thing with the sphere and the shell was $5. I was gonna grab two just so I can keep one in like my crystal collection and one in my bathroom that's all beach scene. But the other one that she had was a different size, and they didn't like, there was like a different shape to the shell, and it wouldn't sit like this. So I was like, no, I thought that was super cute with it inside of it. So I grabbed one of those, and again, it came with the free little sphere on the inside. So that was only $5. Then let me go ahead and show you in here. I got a bracelet, 2 bracelets for my mother, and then a ring for myself. So first I grabbed was this bracelet. It was, I'm not sure if this one was $10 or $15. I think this one was $15. It's a dark purple. My mom loves purple. She loves amethyst, and that's also her birthstone. And when I went back to see her in January, it was so cool to like walk around her house, and she has like in her front room there was an area with all of these amethysts just sitting displayed beautifully, and then in her TV room there was another section, her bedroom was another section. It just looks so cool the way she has them all done up. It just looks really, really nice, and it just warms my heart knowing that like she's displaying them all, that you know, these things that I'm sending her, and she loves looking at them too. So I just got really excited seeing them everywhere. So I wanted to grab this bracelet for her. Plus, when she goes to her work, when she goes to the casino, she can wear these with her if she wanted to. So then when I saw this other one, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna grab that too, because then she can wear them together if she wanted to, or wear them separately, whichever. So I believe this one I paid $15, and then this one was $10. I thought it was only gonna be for one, but 2 of them were here. So I don't know if it was 2 for $10 and I didn't catch that, or 2 ended up in my box. I'm not sure, but these are for my mom for Christmas. So there's the 3 different bracelets right there. And then I got a moonstone ring for myself. This one was $29. It does have an adjustable like stainless steel or sterling silver band, but that is the moonstone right there. I just thought that was super, super pretty. I think it was the only one that she had at the time. So I was like, let me go ahead and grab that. So there's the 3 bracelets and the ring. 2 more items with this order. This one here is just gorgeous, you guys. It says $28 on the bottom, and then it was crossed off. The only other thing that I see on here that says amethyst was $24. So I think this one might have been, yeah, I think this one might have been on sale for $24 instead of $28. But either way, in the 20s, look at how big this is, and look at how gorgeous. I thought if she set this like on her fireplace or her mantle, you could see it like from all directions. Or if she set it on her, you know, on her end table in her TV room, or on her dresser, like wherever this is gonna go, you can see it on multiple like sides. And I just thought, my little shell's moving over here. I just thought that was absolutely gorgeous, and how it's cut. Look at that. And $24, like, this is heavy too. This is a really, really good size. I love that. So this is going to my mom for Christmas. This, dun, 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 dun. This is my mom's star of the show for her for Christmas. This is the main thing that I wanted to get her. And then when that other one was only 20 something, and then the bracelets, I'm like, hey, there you go. Now she's done. This was normally $49 and it was down to $42. So I paid $42, but look at how deep of a purple that is, and just beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. And then this is what it looks like on the outside. And look at that though. I mean, compared to my head, I mean, this is a large size, you guys. $42, I'm like, yes. And then I'm just gonna have to wrap it up and hopefully carefully get it sent to her, and then she can add these to either another area or add to any of her areas in her house, and then next time I go out there I can see them. And I can't wait. So that completed my first order, and I think I had a shipping fee of $10 with that one. So then my next order, again, it's a lot of amethyst. I mean, mainly this one is all amethyst. Okay, so let me start with these 2 little butterflies. I got one for myself and one for my mom. That's right. So one of these goes to her for Christmas as well. These were $10 each. And you know, if you know, you know, me and butterflies. Once I saw a butterfly, I'm like, yes, can you give me two? Because I wanted to give one to my mom as well. So we'll have a little matching, little kind of matching. They're almost the same, but you know, they're individually done. So they're going to have their own little individual flair to it. But yeah, I will have one and she will have one. So we'll have a matching little set with the butterflies. Though again was $10 each. Okay, so this amethyst right here, this was $16. So the claim number would have been 16 for this one right here. And then this one was 18. So they look very, very similar. One was just 16 and one was $18. I thought they looked kind of cool. They almost look like little angel wings sitting them next to each other or something. But yeah, there's those two right there. And again, they're almost the same exact size. This one here was only $10. So the same as like this one was 6 and this one was 10. So it's almost the same size, but it's a little bit bigger. And so this one was only $10. But isn't that gorgeous? Like, oh my gosh. And it's heavy, like it's solid. So there's that one. This one here, I think I might have got it on sale for 18 because on the bottom it says 23 and it's crossed off. So I know I paid less. And the only other thing on here that I'm not really like seeing what it is or matching up is an 18. So I'm going to assume this one was on sale for $18. And it's like a light purplish color. I just thought that was definitely different. And then just this, again, it's nice and heavy. It's a big chunk. And so yeah, $18, I got this one. Then there was a black amethyst and it was only on sale for $10. It was normally $20 and I got it for $10. But look at that. It's a nice big chunk for only $10 and it's a black amethyst. So this will go like in my black section, not in my normal amethyst section. So that's why I got this one and it was only $10. So again, I couldn't pass that up. I have a few more. This one here I got for our other niece. In the other video, I had the sphere that I got for one niece that reminded me of Harry Potter and reminded me of her. And then this one, however, I got this one for our other niece. Her favorite color is purple. So amethyst is a purple, the perfect purple color. And I got her this one right here. It's $23, but it has the deep, deep purple color. And it's just a nice big chunk. This one is really large and heavy as well. And just natural stone on the back. And then that is just gorgeous. I'm hoping she's going to love it because I think she will. So I got that for our other niece, again, $23. Now, one that I'm really, really excited about is this amethyst sphere. I didn't know this was amethyst because it didn't really look, I thought this was like an agate or something like that, but it's listed on my thing as an amethyst. So this was normally $59. And since there was, I guess, like a crack or something, it was discounted down to $29. I'm like, $29? Yeah. I've never had a sphere this big. And then I asked if she had a stand because you can also buy stands. And the stand was all gold. And if you follow me, I don't like yellow gold at all. So she said she had this thing that was like from her daughter's toy. It has like, you know, glue residue and everything inside. I guess her daughter had a toy that broke. This thing does have a split even on it as well. But I just thought I could spray paint this thing black and then set it on here and you wouldn't even really notice like this part of it. So this was thrown in for free. That was so nice of her to do. Again, I'm just gonna probably just paint it like an all black color and then just set it like this in my room. I think that's gonna look super, super beautiful. But that is just a large size, and for $29, normally $59, I'm like, yeah, I'll take that off your hands. Okay, so now for the star of the show, my main attraction that I bought for myself is this thing right here. This was $59. This is heavy. It's almost bigger than my whole face, like bigger than my dome. This thing is super, super heavy, but it has like this beautiful, look at all of that beautiful like agate right here. And then it's listed as amethyst. So I'm assuming that's amethyst inside there, but it's not purple. So I don't know what color it would be, but it's listed as an amethyst. But look at this big old thing. It is just so heavy. $59. And then I bought a $10 clear plastic stand so it can sit on. Let me see if I can kind of show you. Yeah, so it sits like that. But oh my gosh, look at this thing. This is the main thing. When I saw that, I was like, oh my gosh, I want that. I don't have a place for it. I'm gonna have to rearrange some things. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but it's gonna go somewhere in my room. Let me tell you, like, that thing is absolutely beautiful. So that is everything. I think that one, my shipping on that one was $20. And then again, they tossed it all in one big old box and shipped it UPS because it was a nice little large, heavy box. So there is that. I'm so excited about the pieces that I got for myself and that I got for gifts for my mom and for our nieces from, you know, all three orders. So I'm so excited that I got to grow more of my collection. I get to give to others, and I'm just so happy with everything that I purchased, and I could not pass it up. Like, come on, 20 something for this big old thing right here. Like, I just could not pass up those deals. So let me know, which order did you like better? Was there one item in here that stood out the most to you? What would you have loved to have? Like, what would be your favorite item out of all of this that I purchased? Let me know. I'm loving that big $59 thing, or that tall one for my mom, that amethyst. I'm just loving everything, really. So let me know what you thought. If you'd like to check them out, again, I will have them linked down below. You can follow their Instagram. You can see their different lives. See if you would like to purchase anything. You don't have to. If you see something you want, then you do. It's that simple. If you'd like to check out other companies, discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can check out my website at any given time, which is shecrafty.com. So again, that is everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.